Hello viewers, my name's Adefusika Oluwabumi Jamiu. I'm 36 years old and I'm applying for position of aircraft cleaner. I'm a man of integrity, hardworking, communicative and confident. I have 3 years experience in Nigeria as a cleaner at Eco Hotel and Suites and at the Flamingo Hotel in Lagos too as a room attendant. I recognize my customer, I know how to communicate with them, and I pledge to apply by the rules and in terms and conditions of the aircraft management. Thanks for watching my video review, and I'm hoping to hear from you as soon as possible. Thank you. God bless you.